Welcome to How to Web. Curious if you can access the Brawl Stars Dev Build in 2025? Let's clear it up. What is a Dev Build? A developer build is a special version of Brawl Stars used by game developers for testing. It includes unreleased characters, maps, and features. Can you access it? Unfortunately, Dev Builds are restricted to Supercell developers and select testers only. Public access is not allowed due to security and intellectual property concerns. Beware of scams. Websites or videos claiming to offer dev builds are often fake and may contain malware. Never download files from unverified sources. Alternatives to experience new content. Play Brawl Stars public test server when available to try unreleased features. Stay updated on official Supercell announcements for beta testing opportunities. Here is a pro tip for you. Focus on honing your skills in the official version of Brawl Stars and enjoy the updates when they roll out publicly. Let me know if you have more questions or need tips from Brawl Stars.